Alright, we're going to try to finish up this project today. Let's see. I can't sit down because I got all this stuff away. Alright, we're going to try to rig up this. Hold on. I took about 2 hours to... The spring had broke here, so I used, I think this was a valve spring from a lawnmower. And so now it automatically will click. That's a good feature to have. And then if I want to bring it up, I just do it like that. And then once it comes here, then it will make contact and push it up. So, alright, I need to give myself a little bit more room here. I'm going to try to use this electrical crimper. Oh, we might put that on there. I don't think I'm going to put that on there. It's too big. Although it might once I put... I think I want to put 2 on just for safety. This is just a little kit I got off of eBay. Looks like I'm gonna use that one. But I gotta make sure I get that in there first. I want to go with the bigger one. It's really small. Oh. Channels are a little bit wider. I don't know if that's going to make a difference or not. It shouldn't. And then I'm going to go with 2 of these. Sure you're still in the video. Yep. Okay. I think we might choose the smallest die. I don't know. Maybe we'll go big and then small. Those are 2 different sizes. Look at it here. going to start with this one right here. Give it a little bit of a side squish. No, that won't squish anything. That's going to squish it either way. So we'll do this one. It's a 20. Well, actually, I have a 25 in there. So I think if we start with a 35, then maybe we can go to 25, and then, as you can tell, I want to make sure that this has a good crimp. Oh. Okay. I wish I could sit down. I don't want to have that much overhang. Usually don't want to have any overhang. That'd be good if I can keep that there. How am I going to get it in there? My. Is that stupid chair poking me? Get it in there, and then I'm going to move the camera. Let's go right on top of it. Alright, how about that? Okay. Yeah, it crimped. Opened up a little bit. Kind of midway now here, but it's not moving, so I'm gonna go into the 25. means I need to definitely crimp it more. That's a good looking crimp. Definitely need to crimp it more here to close that. If not, I'll just redo it. Let's see if that closed it up. Yeah, that closed it up. I don't think it's going to come off now. I definitely want to get, well, that one right here would definitely help. Alright, we're going to go to the smallest now. Let's start with this upper part. That's kind of funny. Yeah, it crimped it. Look at that. I'm gonna do something with that or it's gonna cut me. Guess I could stick it in there and crimp it back down with a bigger one. if it says what kind of strength this stuff has. It doesn't say. I mean, but that's basically what's on every come along. So, all right, we got a functioning come along now. Now on the next one, I'm gonna do with the rope. Okay, that served its purpose well. Gee, I forget this. I can put these in here.